Hey guys, this is our Swage 3-inch turnbuckle tensioner with a lag screw for 3/16 inch cable. Give you a point of reference. There is our same turnbuckle for 1/8 inch cable. These guys are awesome. We've had a few alterations done on these. So this is a left-hand lag here, and the reason we did that is because this bolt right here that's used to lock the barrel so it can't loosen up on you, it spins to the left. So as soon as you bottom that out towards the end here, then you can use this to install the lag. So that'll make things a lot easier. We've also had, same with the matching set to this, we've also had a little ring machined out of that to indicate how far the cable goes in. And so what we like to do for installation is go ahead and install everything into the posts, right? Install everything, make sure your turnbuckles are opened up exactly the way you want them, and that the space between the amount of threading on both sides of the barrel is exactly the same. And then what you'll do is, I always like to start with the terminal end and then pull the cable as tight as you can to the turnbuckles that again are all installed already, and then you pull it as tight as you can and you measure to this line, and that's where you make your cut. And then you know right here, you know to stay within 1/8 inch of this line here, and this is where you can make your swaging impressions. If you have any other questions or you'd like us to help you in selecting your hardware, we are always happy to help. Don't hesitate to call, send us an email, and send us a text, and we will get right back with you. We can't wait to show you how we do things and how we take care of our customers. Take care.